how to share Spotify Wrapped on Twitter on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share on Twitter, easy and quick. First thing you need to do here is to go to your Spotify, and then let's go to this one here, and now just wait for it. And as you see here, we'll find share, click on it, and here we'll find Twitter. Now just you can share it to direct message, or you can tweet it if you want, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, and it's easy. And then just click tweet, and I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.